Hey everyone, Michael here from Adventurous Real Estate Investor. Today, in this video, I want to talk to you about having a contingency in your CapEx budget. But before we begin, I am coming from Athens, Greece, which is really beautiful. We're at the ancient Agora of Athens. It's around me here. It was really cool as this temple right here on my right, off my right shoulder. It's a temple of Adventurous. It's the most intact temple from the ancient Greek times. It's really cool. Actually, you can see quite a bit of it there. Anyway, without further ado, like I said, in this video, I'm talking about contingency, having one with your CapEx budget. So once you decide what your CapEx budget will be, it's always very important in order to put at least a 10% CapEx budget contingency on your CapEx budget. So if you raise $500,000 to cover your CapEx expenses, then you need a $50,000 contingency. However, that was the case a couple of years ago with the price of goods and labor going up because of inflation over the past year. We've actually increased our contingency by up to 30% and sometimes even 35%. So just recently we raised $500K, maybe $450K for CapEx. We knew that was what our CapEx cost was going to be, but we added an additional $150K on top of that on our recent closing, up to $600,000 total in CapEx, just to make sure that we had enough to cover all the expenses. There's a lot of things that changed from the time we started closing on the property or got the property under contract to the time we started actually doing the CapEx or executing the CapEx plan. So labor costs are continuing to go up, building costs are going up, like installing the price of lumber, price of other goods, because stuff is stuck in farmers and the whole supply chain is jacked up, as well as inflation continues to drive these costs up. So it's very, very important that if you're investing in a deal or if you're underwriting a deal yourself, that the person who's running the deal has a contingency in their CapEx budget. If you found value in this video, please go ahead and like down below, hit subscribe and ring that bell so you'll be notified when we release new content. Until next time, explore more adventure ways.